In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play multiplayer here in Delta Force on your mobile device. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But first things first, what you're going to want to do once you are loaded into Delta Force is actually find the little social option up in the top right corner. It's not all the way in the right corner, but it's pretty dang close. Select that and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. This is going to be your friends tab. From here, you can go ahead and enter in a player name in order to go ahead and add them. In this case, let's add my other account, JustBoz, just like so. Never mind, I can't find myself on there. That's really sad. But what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have them added. And once you do have them added, there'll be an option with a little flag icon right next to it. Select that flag icon and you'll be able to invite them to your lobby. And once they're in your lobby, you can now jump into a multiplayer match with your friends. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.